It was fully dark, so I decided that the toads had done their job and I was going to head home. So you can hear the toads in the background. But as I was walking away from Ridgeside Lake, up on the ridge, there was this weird sound. It was like a snake rattling in the grass, but I have no idea what it was. So if any of you can listen to this, and there were like 3 of them, and each in a separate tree, making these calls, please let me know what they are.